Good morning, YouTube gardeners. I hope you're having a beautiful day. It's Friday and we're having a gorgeous day here in Southern California. And I wanted to share with you this seed experiment that I'm doing with cilantro seeds. We all know how hard it is to grow cilantro in the high heat temperatures. And I have 3 brands that I've been trying out. You can see here I have a Calypso by Johnny Seeds. That's the one on the far left. It's doing really well. No signs of bolting. And this is a heat tolerant cilantro as far as how they advertise it, and it's living up to that. We've had very high temperatures. We've been in the mid 90s. We had some upper 90s, and then this week we're gonna be close to 100. This next one here is a burpee, and you can see it's bolted. So I won't be growing this for the rest of the season. Obviously still have seeds, so I'll grow that in the cooler weather, but the burpee cilantro is not going to be grown in the high heat temperatures. And then over here, this smaller one, and I had more growing, but I had to remove them because I installed the tomato trellis here. But those are doing fine, and they're the Cruiser, also by Johnny Seeds, and there's no signs of bolting either. They're growing quite a bit slower than the Calypso. So it's definitely an option in the high heat, but you could see that these guys, they're shaded right now since it's morning. It's pretty early morning, and in the afternoon as the sun comes up higher toward the midday, they'll see lots of heat. So it does definitely see lots of heat, and it's doing fine. But the burpee, not doing fine, bolted already. So I do have this seed experiment going on in another part of the garden. I like to grow in a couple different locations to see which location is going to do best for the different times of year. So let's pop on over there. A few months ago I did a video on installing this grapevine trellis. Really easy, pretty inexpensive, and when I filmed that video, the grapevine was super small. And let me see if I can get a better shot, but it's taken over this entire wall of the building now, and it's almost reaching the rooftop. So it loves it right here, and the grapevine trellis is working excellent. This whole entire section of the building is going to be covered in grapevines. Super beautiful. Before we head over to this other cilantro section, just gonna look at some of this beauty growing here. Got a cherry bell tomato. It's getting some cherries on it, some cherry tomatoes. They're doing really great, looking super beautiful. And I got a bunch of radishes that need to be harvested, that the pill bugs are enjoying. Yummy. We've got lots of kumquats that are ready to eat, some fresh vitamin C. You can see here this lettuce is bolted. It just seeded itself. I had a lot of lettuce growing in this whiskey barrel a few months ago, and I didn't plant this arugula here. I did plant the cucumbers and these heads of lettuce that are now hiding in the midst of all this beautiful arugula. These heads of lettuce are so beautiful. The colors are just gorgeous. I'm gonna have to get this guy harvested before he bolts. All right, so over here is my favorite location to grow cilantro, in front of my blueberry bushes. And in this section, I just have two that are growing. Here are the little name tags, the little popsicle sticks. I have a burpee and then the Calypso, which is from Johnny Seeds. So I planted these after the first location that I showed you, but gosh, look at the size of these leaves. They're doing great here. The cilantro really loves growing in this location. I grow here almost year-round. We'll see how this Calypso does in July, August, and September. I think it's going to do well in the next month. And I've got these cute little romaine heads. They're miniatures. It's called Little Gem. They're doing really good. So here is the Calypso, doing great. And then this side is the burpee, and it's already bolting. So same as the other locations, same findings. I won't be growing the burpee seed in the hot summer heat. They're not heat tolerant, but the Calypso is doing really well. Very excited. In the spring, I just harvested the cilantro that was growing here. It got a couple feet high after it bolted, and it still was putting out nice shoots towards the bottom of cilantro, and it still tasted really great. So if you're looking for a heat tolerant cilantro seed, then the Calypso from Johnny Seeds is a great option. And if you know of another seed that is heat tolerant, then let me know about it, because I'd love to try it out. All right, that's it for now. I hope you enjoy your weekend and enjoy your garden.